Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, we are going to break down ticker symbol IRNT, a WSB play. Yes, it is trending on Wall Street bets. I'm not trying to cover all these stocks, but this one was really time conscious, so I wanted to film this video and get out for you guys ASAP because it's really gapping up there. But other than that, let's get right in the video. Alrighty, IRNT. It is, like I said, a Wall Street Bets play. How do I know it is a top trending stock in Wall Street Bets? Well, there is a website that I share in my team's Discord of all the Wall Street Bets stocks that are trending that day and that week. And today, as you can see, IRNT is blowing every stock out of the water. This is S&P 500, which usually is the top trending one. And the next top trending stock is GameStop, way down here. So as you can see, it's being mentioned a lot. Great website. I'll link it in the bio if you guys want. Anyways, going back to IRNT, the all-time high is at $42.39. So what I'm looking for is for a break of that level, because if it breaks that level, I really think it'll go parabolic. Now, if we go to the last 5 minutes, it almost touched that. It was within 14 cents of it breaking. Now, I was looking for it to actually break right there and add to my position for a squeeze up to $50, but I did not add because it didn't break. Now let's look at the 5-minute time frame and where it's at right now. So as you can see, after market, it gapped all the way up from $30 to $42 in a matter of minutes. Now, I took a small position as it continued to retest this 9 exponential moving average and continue to move higher. So I actually bought right here at this red line at 37.62. Now I since sold just under 40 because as it continued to move up there, I was really looking for a break of the all-time high at 42.39, but we didn't get it. And as it fell down below $40 a share, it was very clear to me that this is looking very bearish because as we know, as traders, whole dollars can often act as really good resistance and or support lines. So in this case, I was really looking for the break and hold above 40. Now, if it broke 40 and fell back down, that's weakness, not enough buying pressure, not what I'm looking for. So as it fell down below 40, I sold at $39.50 for like a $2 share gain. Not a terrible trade. Now, I'm rewatching it for either later tonight or pre-market tomorrow morning. I really think it has a good chance of breaking the all-time high at 42.39. Now, what am I looking for? Let me clear my drawing set here so we can get rid of some of these lines. Right now, it does not look super good. Now, I know you're saying it broke above the 9 EMA. It's starting to move upward, but look at this movement. What I always talk about in our team's Discord is 2 steps up, 1 step back. 2 steps up, more like 3 steps up, 1 step back. Now, in this last move, if you zoom in on it, it was 2 steps up, a whole 2 steps back. It did not gain any movement in that move. You want to see stocks trending up like this, like stair steps going up, not flatlining, 1 step up, 1 step down, 1 step up, 1 step down. So what I'm looking for right now is a break of that $40 whole number resistance line and a squeeze up to the all-time high at 42.39. Really important level to watch. Now, gentlemen in our Discord was kind enough to drop the Fibonacci extensions tab. I could teach you guys how to do that in the next video, but as you can see in this screenshot, the next add spot or the next sell spot wouldn't be until $47.66. So assuming you bought at $40 and had a price target of about $48, that's almost a 20% gain. Now, that's what we're looking for in this trade, a minimum 15 to 20% gain with a 5% stop loss. We are not buying right now at 37.41, we're not buying right now at 37.74 because we want to see more validation. We want to see it squeeze back up to $40 because what can happen right now is we could buy right now and it could continue to sell off for the rest of the night. So what we're looking for, again, is a break of that whole dollar. Now, if we want a successful winning ratio, meaning for every $2 we make, we have a stop loss of $1. Now, let's talk winning ratios. Obviously, a winning ratio would be a minimum 1.5 to 1 or a 2 to 1 ratio when trading. You want to have winning ratios when trading because if you win one and you lose one, you're flatlining, you're staying even. But if you win 2 and lose 1, you're at least gaining some ground. Now, again, if we expect it to squeeze up to $48 a share for a 20% gain, that would be from 40, right? We're looking at 20% gain. So from 40, again, that's up to $48 a share. Now, if we want to do a minimum 2 to 1, meaning we're expecting to make 20%, but we're going to cut losses at negative 10%, we would be looking at cutting it just about $35, $36 a share. Now, I do not plan on letting it go down all the way that low. If it breaks above 40, breaks all-time highs, doesn't hit that $48 or $50 resistance line, and it continues to go down below 40 like we did today, you're going to practice proper risk management. Now, like I said, if it breaks $40 and goes back down below it, that is a very bearish signal, and we are going to cut losses and walk away from it. There you have it. There's my trading plan. Again, I'm buying for the break of 40 and a squeeze up to $50, breaking the all-time highs. Now, if you are not good at risk management, I highly suggest do not trade this stock because it's a very volatile and a really risky stock. This is strictly a hype stock play, and if you don't have good risk management in the first place, it's probably best not to practice on high volatile stocks. Now, I know I went super quick in this video, but this is really time conscious, and I want to get it out for you guys so you don't miss this awesome opportunity if it does squeeze up there. So if you guys liked the video and got something out of it, please consider liking and subscribing. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the very next video. Also, quick plug, if you're not in our team's Discord, it's the first link in the description.